Probiotics. We've all heard that they're good for our digestion, but why? It's all about bacteria. Our intestines are filled with it, good and bad. The better the bacterial balance, the better our digestive health. Probiotics help balance the good and bad bacteria to support digestive health and provide a broad spectrum of whole body health benefits. And while many supplements provide only one species of bacteria, Life Extension's Fluorasys GI with phage technology provides 7 strains of probiotics. It's also formulated with a tetraphage blend that targets specific strains of unwanted bacteria, helping to remove them and restore digestive balance. Our dual encapsulation delivery system allows Fluorasys to safely bypass the stomach's harsh environment and be delivered to where your body needs it most, the intestines. Offer your clients an innovative approach to promoting their digestive health with Fluorasys GI with phage technology.